Dude, social distancing? Dude, what headphone is that? Soundcore Live Q10. I have Tribit. Okay. This one has a very good sound. Yeah, this one too. The build quality is really good for this one. This has fast charging. This has 40 hours of playback time, 60 hours of battery life. It comes with a case. You know what? I'm done talking to you. Let's ask InfoPal which one is better. Okay? I think you are too close to me. Can you get back a little? What's up everyone, my name is Parth and you're watching InfoPal, and today in one hand I have Soundcore Live Q10 and in another hand I have Tribit Experition. Now these headphones are the great mid-budget challenges, and by mid-budget I am talking about 3000 to 5000 rupees price mark, and at this price point both of these headphones are great for what they offer. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the build quality. Now, just on build quality, Tribit definitely comes out on top here. Although Soundcore is not built poorly, it is made with very good quality plastic. However, more metal in the construction of Tribit makes it feel more robust. Although Tribit Experition does come with a carrying case, but I won't shy away from carrying it without any protection. However, this robustness does come up with some compromises. The all plastic build of Soundcore Live Q10 makes it way more lighter than Tribit. As a result, Soundcore Live Q10 is much more comfortable on the head than Tribit Experition. The cushion on both the headphones are good, but the memory foam used in Tribit Experition makes it feel more premium and long lasting. Connection wise, both of these headphones are really good. They connect really fast and also they do provide a very good range for the connection. For battery life, both headphones are mind-blowing, with Soundcore having more endurance. Tribit claims to have a 40 hours of playback time, whereas Soundcore claims to have an insane battery life of 60 hours. Another advantage Soundcore has is its fast charging. So if you charge it for 10 minutes, it can give you a playback time of 5 hours. Also, it charges through USB Type-C, which is more modern compared to micro USB in Tribit Experition. So for battery life and charging solution, Soundcore definitely comes out on top here, but on its own Tribit also has a very good battery life, but just not as good as Soundcore. Now let's talk about the sound quality of these headphones, because that is the most important thing, right? And I have to say both of these headphones are really interesting. However, they are very distinct from each other at the same time. Soundcore Live Q10 is a boombox on your head. It has a thumping bass and that is its USP. If you are a bass head, you have to try this. However, what if you are not a bass head? Is it still good? Yes, it is good, but not great like Tribit Experition. Tribit has a very balanced sound signature. It is an all genre headphone. It also does have a punchy bass. In fact, before Soundcore, this was the most bass heavy thing that I had put on. Yes, it does not have a thumping bass like Soundcore, but the bass has a lot of clarity, and the same clarity can be found on the overall sound signature. Also, if you are someone who wants to edit or mix audio on your headphone, then Tribit will be a much better bet than Soundcore. See, the point is both of these headphones has a great sound. It's only who they cater for. Do I have a preference? Yes, because I like more balanced sound signature, so I tend to lean on Tribute more. But there are occasions where I have enjoyed Soundcore more than Tribute. But the question is which one you should go for. See, this is simple. If you specifically need thumping bass, go for Soundcore. If you want fast charging, you go for Soundcore. But if you want an overall good package like balanced sound signature and robust build, then go for Tribute X3 Tune. Battery life, connection and other things are more or less comparable in these headphones. But if you are still getting confused, I have made detailed review for both these headphones. You can find the links in the description. So that's all for this video. Until next video, this is Parth signing off from InfoPal, and I'll see you in the next video.